My name's Eric Morin. I'm the president here at Quality Linings and Fab. We're a job shop. We do a lot of custom fabrication for different industries, such as the power generation, wastewater treatment, both municipal and industrial, and a lot of little miscellaneous jobs, stairs, landings, platforms.
I started July the 17th, 1989. You know, you can sell a product, but you also got to sell the service that goes with it. And so many people today don't follow up once they make a sale. Well, you don't get that here at Quality.
We're one-on-one with our customers. Every day, we always talk to them throughout the day, throughout the project, and we're like a big family here. So that just keeps our company growing.
To be successful in the business we're in, you want to have a high quality product at a competitive price, and it needs to be delivered on time.
So basically there's an industry standard of an 1/8 of an inch tolerance for everything, but we strive for perfection. We like to be right on the money every time. When it goes out the door to our job sites, it's going to be perfect.
We use the saw a lot to make just a better cut on the material instead of using a torch. So we use Sawblade.com for all of our bandsaw blades. We generally get it within the next day, and it reduced the price we were paying for the blade. So overall, Sawblade.com has helped a lot.
I don't see there being a limit to this company. We'll expand. You know, we're not going to be capping ourselves anytime soon.
Our service provides electricity to households. Our service cleans water, helps have, clean drinking water. That is very rewarding. I find it a rewarding job that I can be proud of.